Hello, barattoonni keenya kan bakka hunda jirtan akkam bultan, akkam ooltan, akkam waaritan, akkam jirtu. Our students all over the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and I hope all of you are fine. በዓለም ላይ ያላችሁ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ተማሪዎቻችን እንዴት አደራችሁ? እንዴት ዋላችሁ? እንዴት አመሻችሁ? እግዚአብሔር የተመሰገነውን ሁላችን ደህና ነን። ዱራን ዱርሴ በጋ በጨቂብ ገና ባተኒ ቦቃ ብራ ጌሰን ጀቹን በርባዳ በመጀመሪያ እንኳን ከዘመን ዘመን አሻገራችሁ እንኳን ከጨለማ ወደ ብርሃን አወጣችሁ ማለት ፈልጋለሁ። So first of all I would like to say happy new year, and then we proceed to our today's lesson. So hababo birra irrecha bahuf jirra irrecha bahuf qophii irra jirra. This is our, and I will go through it in detail in the inside part. Kaayyoon barnoota kana, there are three objectives of this session. የአፋን ኦሮሞ ቋንቋን ሰዎች መናገር እንዲችሉ ማገዝ፣ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ሕዝብን ባህል ማሳወቅ፣ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ቋንቋ እድገትን መደገፍ ነው። Having these three objectives mainly to help anyone learn Afan Oromo, know the culture of Oromo people, and contribute for the development of Afan Oromo language. So having this objective, I will go through some of the basic things that I started earlier. ከዚህ በፊት የጀመርኩትን ከቁቤ ጀምሮ Afan Oromo has 33 letters where vowels are 5, diagraphs are 7, and the consonants are 21. So ይሄ ትምህርት ከዛ የቀጠለ ሲሆን ከቁቤ ወደ ሰገሌ ነው የምናልፈው። ቁቤ we have seen in our previous video, we have seen the letters. Today we see the sounds. So we have short sound, long sounds. And for example, if we start from A, arba, ardi, adi, as, ach, afur, afan, amala, akkam. So the English translation is here. So these are short a. እነዚህ አጭሩ አ ናቸው። አጭርና ረዥም አ አለ። አዳ፣ አሪ፣ አረ፣ አና. So አዳ means culture, አሪ means anger, ara means smoke, ana means district. So a has short and long sounds like this. The next one is a, erga, eda, ekera we say. So here this is the short one, a short a. ይሄ አጭሩ ኤ ነው በወርዶች ላይ እያየነው እንደሆነ። here also we have long a, ረዥሙ ኤ ደግሞ ኤሌ ኦቨን፣ ኤ blessing, ኤጌ tail. So it goes like that. The third one is e, ilma, ilkan, ija, iddo, irko. So these are short eyes, and the next one is long I in English and e in Afan Oromo. That's the fourth one is o. O gababa, oda, odu, oso. The long one is what? ረዥሙ ደግሞ ኦግዲ፣ ኦይሩ፣ ኦቱ. So this is how we can read them. The last one is what? Short u, urji, utuba, urgoftu, ule. These are short u, and we have long u like this, uma, ummata. So we have short sound and long sound. ረዥም እና አጭር አላቸው ማለት ነው ፊደሎቹ። So when we proceed, we have short ba, short be, short b, short bo, and short bu. አጭርና ረዥም ባ ቤ ቢ ቦ ቡ in Afan Oromo letter chooses Latin alphabet mainly. It enables it to show which one is short, which one is long, which one is stressed, which one is unstressed. ስለዚህ የላቲን አልፋቤት አፋን ኦሮሞ የመረጠው በሁሉም ፊደሎች የቱ ረዥም እንደሆነ፣ የቱ አጭር እንደሆነ፣ የቱ የጠበቀ ድምፅ እንደሆነ፣ የላላ ድምፅ እንደሆነ ለማሳየት ይረዳል። Right? This is what make it unique. For example, we have short ba, b plus a, b plus e, short b, b plus I, b, short b, b plus o, short bo, and b plus u, short bo. Long ba, ba, be, bi, bo, bu. So these are long. And for example, we have short ba, bara, bada, bana, bakka, bala. The long one is what? Bal, basi, baye. So akkuma kun arginu kana gabaabaa fi dheeraatu jira. Qubee baa fi aan walitti dhufanii sagalee baa gabaabaa uumanii they come together and form short sound ba. And baan tokkoo fi aan lama walitti dhufee baa dheeraa sagalee baa dheeraa uumanii it becomes baa baala baa baasii baa baay'ee we say. So this logic works for all the letters we have. For example, we have these sounds that left. We have other letters left. For example, cha, da, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, nya, pa, pa, ka, ra, sa, sha, ta, sa, va, wa, ya, ta, ya, za, ja. So these all are short. For example, we say chabbi, nama, all right? And also there are long ones. Eeran sagaleen eeran hin jira. Quboota hafaniin fayyadamnu cha, da, da, fa, ga, ja, ka, la. So these all are what? Long. Era jechuudha. Daadhi, for example, made. Tajji ማለት ነው. Jaalala. Ja is long, da and the e are both long sounds. So by this logic, we have all short and long sounds in Afan Oromo, and the long sound is written by having long vowels. All right, the short sound is written by having short sound or one sound, one vowel. So that is the logic behind. When we go, there are also diagraph sounds, letters made from two sounds. That means two letters. A sound that's made from the diagraph or qubee dacharraa kan uumaman. For example, cha, che, chi, cho, chu. So this we do have short cha, short che, short chi, short chu, as well as we have long cha, cha, chapa, che, chi, cho, chu. We have 7 diagraphs. Qubee dachaa torba qabna. Isaan sunis haaluma kanaan gabaabaa fi dheeraa qabu jechuudha. So እነዚህ ጥንድ ፊደሎች ደግሞ አጭርና ረዥም አላቸው። የሚረዝሙትም በቫውልስ ነው ወይ ደግሞ በአናባቢ ነው። 2 አናባቢ ሲሆን ይረዝማሉ፣ 1 አናባቢ ሲሆን ያጥራሉ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ጎቸ ማለት አክሽን፣ ራቸ ሚንስ ፍሮግ፣ ሙቸ ሚንስ ብሬስት ቲፕ፣ ናቸ ሚንስ ክሮኮዳይል፣ ገመቹ ሚንስ ሃፒነስ ካን ቢ ኔም ኦፍ ኤ ፐርሰን ኦልሶ። ደቻ ቁቤ ደቻ ጥንድ ፊደሎች ወይ ደቻ something double። ቻፓ ሲል ደቼ means earth. So we have this kind of things when we talk about letters. Waa'ee qubee yoo haasofnu gaa qubee gabaabaa jira, qubee waa'ee sagalee yoo haasofnu qubee laallee jirra. When we come to sounds, sagalee gabaabaa fi sagalee dheeraa qabna jechuudha. Aadaa Oromoo keessaa tokko aadaa margaa fi habaaboo qabachuun tulluutti ol ba'uu, malkaatti gad bu'uu fi mana firaa deemuun baga booqaa birraa isin ga'e kan jedhutu jira. Marga yoom qabata? In Oromo culture, we have flowers, we have also seed, or we have green grasses. When do we use these things? Oromo use these things during Recha and during slaughtering of animal. That means during celebration of rituals, different rituals, during wedding ceremony, during gobe, the things that gobe, which is played by young men, and during shinoyes sirbamu, dubartoonni yeroo shinoyyee sirban qunnii buqqifatanii marga qabatanii shinoyyee sirbuu yeroo sirna gadaa tokko raawwatu sirni gadaa wayii yeroo raawwatamus margi yeroo itti barbaachisu hin jira jechuudha. So for example, let's look at some of them. Yeroo irreechaa shamarran dargaggoon dardarran ወጣቶች ሴቶችም ወንዶችም ሳርና አበባ ይዞ እሬቻ ይኬዳል። ይሮ ጋኤላ ሙሽሪትና ሙሽራው ሳር ይዞ ምርቃት ይቀበላሉ። ይሮ ጎቤን ሲርበሙ ጎቤን dargaggoonni yeroo sirban marga yabaaboo qabachuu danda'u. Yeroo shinooyyeen sirbamu marga qabataniidha. Qunnii buqqifatanii marga qabatanii sirbu. So this is all about. I thank you very much. Bilisaan maamila koo ta'a gargaarsa keessaniif baay'ee galatoomaa jedha. Warri iimeelii qabdan sabskraayibii go'uun wala deeggarru afaan Oromoo afaan keenya haa guddifnu. Warri hin beekne immoo haa barannu. I thank you very much, and you can subscribe, and we can learn from each other. Thank you very much.